So in this class I will cover remaining part from cell cycle and cell division. Okay, first cell cycle. So mitotic phase is there. I have covered already the karyokinesis, that means the division of nucleus, that is done already. So now cytokinesis means the division of cell as a whole, and that is known as mitotic phase or M phase. In this phase there are four major divisions, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So I will gradually cover this. So prophase, the main points to remember here is that after the G2 phase, that means proteins are synthesized already, okay, and DNA also synthesized in the S phase. So now what is happening here, these 2 points is the main important. So actually chromosome material you can see here in this figure. Before prophase, the chromosome are actually distributed unorganized, okay. So chromosomal, whatever the structure we know about the chromosome, see like this one, 2 chromatid, prominent 2 chromatid, that is actually absent in the phases before prophase. So what is the starting? So that's why in prophase what is happening, see, chromosomal material condenses, means water removal, and those get condensed to look like a chromosome structure, like 2 chromatid only. So after this, so see, 2 chromatid, prominent 2 chromatid appearing, so condensation is occurring. And another point is centrosome undergone duplication. This we need to remember. Centrosome undergone duplication during interphase, so begins to move towards opposite poles. So the centrosome already duplication done, so now it is moving towards 2 poles. So see here, 2 poles, 2 end of the cell. The movement of the centrosome, is carrying out. So in this prophase, after this, so metaphase, what is happening? Already in the 2 pole centrosome is present, and the chromosome is condensed already. Now it is moving towards the middle of the nucleus, middle of the cell. So see, in the initial prophase, initial metaphase, the chromosome are getting connected by spindle fiber from the centrosome, and it is going towards the middle of the cell. So in the final metaphase stage, it is looking like this, in the middle of the cell, and 2 chromatid, prominent 2 chromatid, this is the metaphase. So this is known as the metaphase plate. This one is known as metaphase plate, and the kinetochore is the structure by which or through which the chromosome are connected to spindle fiber. Spindle fiber is formed from centrosome. Okay, so metaphase is complete. Now anaphase means the movement of the chromosome. These chromatids now get separated. 2 chromatids are there inside one chromosome. Now 2 chromatids get separated, and one move to north pole and another to south pole, like this. So this movement is started in anaphase and almost completed till the end of anaphase. So movement is showing here. You can see almost movement done, anaphase state. So what is happening? Chromatid got into north pole or south pole. This is anaphasic movement. Okay. After this, telophase. In telophase, what is happening? The chromatid got distributed in different pole, on in north pole and the south pole. So that is again becoming scattered. Okay. So chromosomal structure, to prominent chromatid structure losing. Okay. So now this is the telophase. So after telophase, the interphase stage, cell got divided fully. Now half of the chromosome got on cell, and another half is in the other cell. So 2 cell is formed from one cell in the end of mitotic phase. So significance of mitosis, this is only for cell division, like human body cell. divides in the by the process of mitosis, and from one cell two cells are formed, and the chromosome number remains same. Okay, these characteristics we need to remember. So for now, up to this, thank you.